Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be explaining everything you need to know about parentheses. So, how we use them. So let's get started. So guys, what are parentheses? So it is when you add information that the reader doesn't necessarily need to know. So, such as, Charlie took a test this morning, and although he didn't revise, he got the highest in his class. If the text does not make sense without the parentheses, then you should not use it. This is a piece of advice. So, and although he didn't revise, is the piece of extra information. This is the parentheses, and the marks we've used are commas beside it. So let's see if it makes sense without using this. Charlie took a test this morning. He got the highest in his class. It makes perfect sense. And to add, and although he didn't revise. So, now that we know what is parentheses, how do we write them down? So, what do they look like? There are several symbols that can represent extra information. Let's get to know them. These are some of the three examples. Brackets are always used for extra information. The commas and dashes can also be used for other purposes, including parentheses. So, every time you use both one of them, that doesn't mean you're always doing it for parentheses. For commas, please check out my other video, which will explain when to use it. And dashes, you can use them for other things, like joining some words. And brackets is mostly always used for parentheses. So, now it's time to crack on with some questions. So for this, you'll need a pen or a pencil and a paper. If you don't want to do the activity, then don't. Though it's better to do so. So what is the purpose of parentheses? Stop the video if you want to have a think. Go back in the video if you want to check and you need some support. And then resume later on. Question 2. What are some examples of parentheses? So about 1 or 2 will do it. And the last question is, what are 2 symbols of parentheses? Not all of them, not one of them, 2. So it's not necessary that the ones I have listed you need to write, though if you have other ones, comment down below, and yeah. So the answer to the first question, to add extra information. So the question was, what is the purpose of parentheses? And the answer is to add extra information. Number 2, an example. Max had a new haircut. Even though he didn't like it, he wanted to have it. If you have another example, please comment down the video below. So this is used as parentheses because it would make sense without it. Max had a new haircut. He wanted to have it. And number 3, 2 symbols for parentheses, commas and brackets, dash, of course, and any other you have. Please search them and comment down below. And yeah. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. So please comment down below how much questions you got correct. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.